Welcome back to CAD/CAM tutorial. Today we are going to design and assemble a Newton's Cradle mechanism. See here, one ball will energy transfer from one end to another end. This is called Newton's Cradle, or you can say executive ball clicker. Here we will transfer one energy from one end to another end. So let's see how to make in SolidWorks. Now we will sketch the first part of Newton Cradle base, mounting base. So let's start. Choose top plane, sketch, and select center rectangle. And here draw a rectangle and keep the diameter and length and width 300 by 400 mm. Okay. Select the corner edge 5 mm. Select the whole rectangle and see the corner become 5 mm radius. Okay. Now let's extrude it and extrude up to 10 mm. Select OK. Now choose fillet. Keep 5 mm and select the top face. See here. OK. Now select the backspace, back plane, select sketch, normal, and select this backspace and click convert entities. Now choose offset entities. Keep 10 mm and select one edge. Make sure chain is selected, 10 mm outward direction. OK. Now select extruded boss and here select both inside and outside and extrude up to 5 mm. OK. Inside not selected, so edit. First select inside edge, then select outside edge. Now see it's plane. Now again select this backspace, sketch, normal, and select this space also, convert entities. Select offset entity 10 mm, select edge, keep outwards. OK. Now let's select extruded boss. And here select inside as well as this. Select, keep 5 mm upward. OK. Now our base is ready almost. Only we will make some fillet. Now this time keep fillet 3 mm. Select this edge and the downward edge. OK. Select isometric. Keep perspective. Now we will assign some material. Let's choose, this is the polished steel, but this is not clear. Okay, so this is our first part, mounting base. Now save this part, create one folder, Newton Cradle, and make the first part name mounting base. This is the mounting base for cradle. Now let's go for next part. Let's make suspended ball for Newton Cradle. So choose top plane, sketch, and we want to draw a sphere. So first select a circle and draw one circle from origin point. Select a line and just make this circle half. Exit. Select trim entity and trim this half circle and assign the radius 25 mm. Okay. Now select revolve boss based and select this line as a axis. Okay. Now we created a ball, suspended ball. Choose front plane, sketch, draw a one vertical line. We want to create some support for suspension, so choose corner rectangle. Okay. Now select this three line and make relation symmetric. Okay. Okay. Select this line, convert as a construction line. Choose trim entities and delete inside half circle. Now let's assign the distance. Keep radius 3.7 mm. And make the distance from origin point 20 mm. And the distance from here to center point keep 10 mm. That's it. Select one more circle and draw one circle from midpoint and keep the diameter 4 mm. Okay, now we will extrude it. Select here mid plane and extrude up to only 5 mm. Look at that here. Okay. Now choose fillet. Make radius 1 mm and select this both side faces. Okay. Now here our suspended ball is ready. This is the this is we want to create it for suspension. Now we will assign some chrome plating. See, our ball is looking real metal ball. Now save this ball as a suspended ball. Let's go for the next part. Let's make the thread for suspended ball. Select front plane, sketch. First we will draw a vertical line, just pass through origin point. Select a line. Just go back to the point and it will convert as a arc. Select here and draw a vertical horizontal line. Exit. Let's assign the dimension 10 mm. This distance from here 100 mm, 10 mm, and the distance from here to bottom line 125 mm. Okay. Select mirror entity and select these points. Mirror about this construction line. Okay. Now choose fillet. select this end, OK, and this end, OK, select OK. Choose this dimension and assign this gap, keep 7 mm, OK. Make sure these lines are tangent. Make sure all the points are perfect. Now exit from the sketch. Now we want to sketch one plane here. So first select right plane, then select plane and select this end point, and this way we want to create a plane. Select OK. Now select this plane, sketch, and we want to create one circle. So draw one circle here and keep the diameter 4 mm. OK. Now select the center point. It is already, I think, merged, and this line, and select pierce. OK. Now exit from the sketch. Now our thread going to be perfect. Now select Swift boss base. The whole circle selected. Now choose this profile. See, OK. Just hide this plane, and this thread we will assign some dark color so it will easily visible. Satin finish, stainless steel. Now this is the thread for a suspended ball. Now save as thread. Let's make the last part for Newton Cradle. Now we will make last part, mounting rod. So select front plane, sketch, select center line, draw one OK. Let's draw one line, exit. Now select these 3 lines and make relation symmetric. Now let's assign the dimension 195 mm and keep the 295 mm. OK. Now select this all 3 points and make one relation horizontal. OK. Now it's see our drawing is fully defined. Choose fillet, keep 10 mm and select both the end. Select OK. Now exit from this sketch. Now choose top plane, sketch, normal, and draw one circle here and keep the diameter 8 mm. Now exit from the sketch. Now select shift boss base, the profile selected here, and now we will choose this line as a path. See, our solid rod going to be make established. Okay, now this is our rod is finished. Select front plane, sketch, normal. Now here we want to make base. First draw a center line. Select a line, connect it, exit. Now let's assign the dimension. Keep the length 3 mm, overall length 12 mm, 1 mm, 5 mm, this also keep 1 mm. Okay, now choose fillet, keep 0.3 mm and select this all sharp edges, select OK. Now select revolve boss base. See, this axis selected. OK. Now we want to mirror this in another direction, this side. So we will choose right plane, mirror entities, and select last revolve body. See, is going to mirror. OK. Now again choose front plane, sketch, normal. Select center line and draw one vertical line. Okay. Now from our previous geometry, select this sketch and select here show. Now see, our sketch is looking here. Select circle and draw one circle in this sketch and keep the diameter 4 mm. Okay, and make the distance from center point, keep 100 mm. Select OK and select extruded cut. You can see here cut out. OK. Now see, half circle is created. Now select linear pattern and in axis select our this axis, sketch what we created in previous section. Keep the gap 50 mm and make 5 number of holes. You can see it here clearly, 5 number of holes. OK. Now hide this plane. OK. Now our mounting rod is perfect. We will give some metal finish. OK. Satin finish chrome. Now save as mounting rod. Now let's start the assembly of Newton Cradle and we will see how the momentum Now we will start the assembly of Newton Cradle. So let's start. Choose new, select assembly, OK. First we will browse mounting base. This is the mounting base and we will set the window and set image quality, keep high. Okay. Perspective. Now insert mounting rod. Okay. Now press Ctrl key and drag and drop, make a copy. Now let's make matte. Select this backspace, top of base. Okay. Again choose top of base and the back of rod. Okay. Now coincident relation we created. Select rotate, and this one we want to rotate 180 degree. Okay, because this whole we want to face each other. Now select the front plane of first mounting rod. Press Ctrl and select this face. Choose matte. Assign gap 60 mm. Okay. Now the same as select the front plane of mounting rod 2 and select this face and keep the distance 60 mm. Select OK. Now choose right plane of both the mounting rods. And make relation coincident. Okay. Now choose any one right plane. Okay, right plane of this one side and select one side face. See here and make the gap 220 mm. Select OK. Now this is in center position. Now let's add another part. Now we will add next part, thread. Open. OK. Assign first relation. Select concentric. OK. Now we will adjust. Okay. Now we will make copy paste. Press Ctrl key, drag, make one copy. Press Ctrl key, drag, one more copy. Again the same way, and the last. Total 5 threads we need. Now let's make the relation. Choose matte. Select the face of thread and inside face of rod. Coincident. Okay. The same as here, rod inside face and thread face. Okay. The third one. Okay. I think this matte we forget to create. Okay, first we will finish the face, then we will make the concentric. Okay. the last one. Okay, now select this face and inside concentric, this one and this. Select the hole and rod. Okay, rod and hole, concentric. Okay, now this relation created. Now we will add our next component, sphere or ball. Insert a component, browse, suspended ball. Okay, now let assign. Select this ball inside hole, met, and choose this. Select concentric. Now select the first part of thread. We want to create one relation. Choose front plane. We want to make parallel first. Select right plane, met, and make relation parallel. Okay. Now this thread is parallel with this rod. Now the same as we will create for ball also. Right plane of ball, thread, and front plane of ball. Make relation met. Now see, it is met in center. Select OK. OK. Now select this face, sketch, and we will create 5 more balls. Press Ctrl key, copy, now the 5 balls are created. Now we will make the same relation for all balls. Choose met, select rod and hole of concentric. Here also the hole and the rod, concentric, hole and rod. Okay, now we will assign some relation here. Now I will assign one important relation. Always try to keep perspective so it looks a nice view. Okay, we created one relation, so okay, let assign some relation for sphere. Select first ball, choose met, select here multiple met mode. Now open this. Now select first ball front plane. Now here we want to create multiple number of relations, so just go to front plane of next ball, go down, front plane of third ball, again go down, front plane of fourth ball and go down, front plane of last fifth ball. Make relation concentric. Okay. Okay. Now the relation created. Now this relation we want to hide it, suppress, add new folder, click suppress. Now just drag up. Now here we need one more relation. Select first thread, front plane of first thread, and go to first ball and choose right plane of first ball and make relation coincident. Okay. Okay. Now you can drag up to here and go to mat and select this last relation. Just drag into this folder. This one also click and add to folder. Just this one, drag it inside this folder, delete. Now click this part and select suppress. Now this is suppress. Now we will create some relation. So first we will save our body, save our assembly, any name is as per you. Now go to motion study. Okay, choose here motion analysis. Now we will assign some contacts. There are many balls, 5 balls. Select first 2 balls, uncheck material and friction, select restitution coefficient 1 mm. Okay, the same as we want to assign the restitution of friction coefficient 1 mm to all the contacts. Third one, select third and fourth ball, coefficient 1 mm, and the last contact, fourth and fifth ball, and keep the restitution coefficient 1 mm. Select OK and assign gravity. Keep y-axis here, see right corner direction going down. Okay, I want to make this interval short. Now let's calculate. Now it is going to calculate. See the motion, you can see it. Now here select playback mode, so the motion will be smooth. Now play. See, it's playing very smoothly. Now see, so this is the Newton's Cradle, or you can say executive ball clickers. Here we will convert the momentum of energy. One ball fall from the top and it will transmit the energy from stationary ball to the end ball, and the last ball will go upwards due to the energy. So this is the Newton Cradle. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks, and thanks for watching.